Hello aqua friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole and today I have this beautiful portrait. I am trying to push my boundaries and get out of my comfort zone, so I don't even think I have any portraits on my channel as of yet. But I was very inspired by this couple's portrait that I found on Pixabay, and I'm sharing the picture here with you. Now, I kind of wanted to do this in a vignette, and I do love the colors of teal and orange. And so I decided, since this was a very moody portrait, to do the highlighted skin section and their faces in the orange and have like a vignette effect of the teals and dark blues around the sides of the portrait. So I'm just going to let you guys relax with this beautiful music, and I'll pipe in here and there to talk about maybe some of the techniques that I'm using, but this is going to be more of a time lapse for this video. As always, I'm starting off this portrait wet on wet, manipulating the watercolor using gravity and a fine mist sprayer. I decided to use a little bit of masking to do some highlights on the cheekbones and her lace dress, as well as parts of his collar. For their mouths, I did add a touch of quinacridone red to my orange. So I did construct this portrait in a couple of layers, letting each layer dry before adding the shadows. Now I did feel like I needed to increase the darkness around the edges of this portrait in order to really make the light areas pop. So I'm wetting around the sides of the portrait to increase that color, the darkness. Now, after removing the masking fluid, I did not like the spot on her cheek. I thought it was a little too much of a contrast, and I just decided to soften that area by wetting it and adding a teeny bit more of the orange pigment. I do love how it turned out. Let me know if you guys have ever done portraits before and what your thoughts are. Thanks for watching.